I like to share a little bit about our team. We have an amazing team. That's who we serve the clients with. We serve them with our team. Our team, we have an amazing culture. We get together every week and we talk about how we can better serve you guys, the clients.
I have a quick question.
Sure.
What do you think puts us in the 5-star rating? What do we do as a company that would have our customers give us that 5-star rating?
It's easy. We do more.
We do more. But what does doing more look like?
First of all, we call our customers to let them know we're on their way to their home and our approximate ETA. We ask them if they would like us to stop and pick up a coffee or something for them on the way to the home. Or we might have some dog treats in our pockets if they have pets. Or maybe color crayons and a coloring book for their kids so they can keep them busy while we walk through the home and find the best solution for whatever they're dealing with at the time. Our guys walk through the house with a tool bag and they have screwdrivers and everything while they're walking around just in case, and they might walk by a doorknob that's loose and they can fix Mrs. Jones' doorknob or make a recommendation. We talk about it every week. How can we change ourselves or separate ourselves from our competitors? And that is our slogan. And it's that, hey, remember team, let's do more. Let's do what the other companies are doing. Let's set ourselves apart and let's just be better. What do you call me? You call me shockingly what?
Shockingly honest.
Honest to a fault. I don't know how to lie. Sometimes I wish I did, but I think you meant shockingly transparent.
That too.
That can be a problem at times.
Yeah.
I don't know how to not be non-transparent, but I am. I'm very transparent. You ask me a question, you're our client, you're just going to get a very truthful answer. I don't think there's any other way to deal with business. I don't think we should try to hide anything. I never want to be caught trying to cover something up. Scares the death out of me if I were able to get caught in a lie, so I choose just not to lie, and I choose to be very transparent. We also train our team to do the same, and that's part of what we do as far as doing more.
Educating our customers on their systems, talking to them about what should be and shouldn't be.
That's a great point. I forgot about that. People always talk about the service industry like we're salesmen. I mean, every industry probably has sales involved to it to some degree. But all Gubruds Services really wants to sell is education. We want to educate our clients so they can make a decision on what's best for their home. If there's any of our clients listening, you probably have experienced some of our options that we offer you. We offer those options so you have options so you can make a decision. We want to educate you on those options so you can make the best decision for you and your family. That's what those options are for. But it's hard to make decisions when you're not educated. So we do our best to try to educate you on why we recommend what we recommend and why we're making the recommendations that we are. If you've ever experienced an electrical tragedy or concern or experience, tell us about it. We'd love to hear about it. Leave it in the comments below. So if you have any electrical needs or any concerns, give us a call. We're happy to help.